For the lip tie photo, the best way is to pinch with your index fingers on the top, thumbs on the bottom, and really close to the lip. If patients did this, I can't really see it, so I'd rather go right in the middle, pull it out towards me first, and then slightly up. So you're not really gonna cover the whole nose, but you're just gonna go slightly up. I need to see if that tissue right there can be stretched. What does it look like when it's stretched? If you can, go past the nostrils. So that's the photo that I need. A lot of people do, a lot of kids do this. Then I can't tell.
Then you can't really tell.
Yeah. So I need it to right in the middle, pull it out, and then slightly up. And then that photo on the bottom with the flash on.